Hey, please watch this short video and you will get the answers you are seeking.
Steel Bite Pro Review. Well, what is Steel Bite Pro? It is a 100% natural solution that you can use to rebuild your gums and teeth starting today. Once all the bacteria are destroyed, Steel Bite Pro will help you to stop bleeding and receding gums, while you regain their healthy look and feel. Stop the pain and infections. This alone will save your thousands in painful root canals and other dental bills. Make the ugly plaque buildup literally fall, shed away your teeth. Escape gingivitis and periodontal diseases. Get rid of bad breath and all the embarrassing moment caused by it. Enjoy the confidence of having whiter teeth, without cavities. Never have to throw your savings on dental implants and risk nerve damage or even facial paralysis. And never, ever have to go to the dentist. To create Steel Bite Pro, we've sourced only the purest, highest quality 23 plants, herbs, minerals and vitamins, measured the exact quantities needed and put them into an easy-to-swallow capsule to take once a day. Every capsule is manufactured in the USA, in our FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, under sterile, strict and precise standards, so you can be 100% sure it's safe, clean and of the highest quality. Moreover, Steel Bite Pro capsules are non-GMO. They do not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and they are not habit-forming. Not only is Steel Bite Pro revolutionary in its approach, but it can be used by anyone, at any age, regardless of their medical condition. Even after years of neglect and decline. To date, more than 57,000 Americans just like you have already used the Steel Bite Pro personally, or shared it with a loved one. You simply say, maybe, to the Steel Bite Pro today by clicking the Buy Now button below. Once you've done that, the most important step into completely rejuvenating your teeth and gums is practically done. And, if you don't start seeing incredible and dramatic improvements, all you need to do is contact us within the first 60 days from your purchase. It doesn't matter if you used up the entire bottle, we will still give you your money back. This means you have 2 whole months to decide if Steel Bite Pro is for you or not. No hidden fees or subscriptions. Just a safe and secure one-time simple payment. I hope this Steel Bite Pro review helps you.
Please call us or click the link below. We look forward to being of service to you.